So that's great news here. Now the retrieve from source has source from org has successfully run. So now if I go to my classes, I'll see all my classes have come over here. Can you see this is awesome? So now whatever we have built, I have built on the server, I can fetch it away. Similarly, now you can also make changes over here. Say like change. Then you can script directly, write your program directly within this, and then you can save it. And once you save it, it will start deploy. You can deploy this to the server. So what I'm trying to say is, like we fetched, we can also deploy. So finally, and basically you have to right click and deploy this to source to org. So these changes will go and now sit on the server. Alright, so now we have this done, and our setup for preparing, working on LWC will also be ready. Okay, so make sure you get all these things set up, that you have download Visual Studio Code, followed all of this, and you're able to sync with the authorize an org and log into an org and able to retrieve and deploy. All right. Okay. I'll see you in the next video where we will actually start with LWC, Lightning Web Program.